Welcome back everyone to this week's short tutorial. In this week's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to replace or to remove a sky from your photos in Photoshop. I mean literally the easiest way. So let's get into it. In our photo we have this sky that is really bland and white and it is not that much interesting. So we want to remove this sky from this photo. What we can do is just go to blend div in the layer style section. From this layer section we see there is two sliders, one with the white color and the left side with the black color. But it means that if we slide the white slider, it will remove the white parts of our image. That in this case it is our sky. And if we slide the other slider, it will delete the black parts of our layer. So in this case we just want to remove the sky, which is the bright part of this image. So slide this slider to the point that you don't lose any unnecessary parts of your image. And to make this selection smoother again, hold Alt and click in the slider, but it will be divided into two sliders. Just move them and we will be losing other details of the image. We don't want that, and just find that sweet spot and we go. Here we go. That's okay. We see that we have successfully removed our sky, and we can just place any other sky images that you want replace with the current sky. Or we just adding a solid, not gradient, just a solid color adjustment layer with this color. Place it below the layer. As you can see that we have successfully replaced our sky with just a few clicks. Also all of the details in the trees and the birds are also preserved and we did not lose anything. Keep in mind that this technique may not work on every image, but it will definitely help you to increase your workflow and speed up your workflow in certain cases. That was it for this week's short tutorial. See you in the next week's short tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.